No complaints. This a wig. It's a wig.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart.
Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kie RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by OMGHerHair. They sent me the students to try for you guys. It is also Wigmas. I have been waiting all year to say that. Y'all know it's my favorite time of year, and we are giving away some goodies. So make sure you check in the pinned comment of every video this month to see what the giveaway is and how to enter. Now, before we get into this video, please understand this is a wig, a lace wig to be exact, and these are not my edges. Come closer. Look, do you see it? Yeah. Yeah, the hybrid hairline is here from OMGHerHair, and I'm a fan. I'm a huge fan, big fan, big fan. So if you want to see how I got my hairline and my wig like this, make sure you keep on watching. As always, if you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Like I said, this unit comes to us from OMGHerHair. All the specs of my unit as well as the products that I'm using in today's video will be listed down below in my description box. So if you want to check anything out, you can. This is their 9x6 hybrid hairline natural curly unit. I got it in 22 inches and 180% density. This is how the hair looks after the wash, nice and fluffy. I used my 𝐂𝐲𝐧𝐝 shampoo and conditioner to wash the unit, and then I sat her outside until she air dried. It is cold outside and a little breezy, so she air dried really quick. Let us go ahead and get this wig on because I don't think I'm going to define the curls any more than they already are. I kind of want to leave them in the natural state, but I want to work on my hairline because that hybrid hairline I think is going to look really good. Let me tint my lace first before I put her on my head. I'm going to use my Black Radiance contour palette. This is in the shade medium to dark, and I'm going to use the mixture of my contour and sculpt color to do that. Although it's a 9x6 closure, you do get a lot of parting space. So if you want to do a middle part, a side part, a zigzag part, whatever you want to do for your parting space, you should be able to do that with this closure unit. OMGHerHair does give you a wider closure space, and they do have the extra tiny knots on this one. So I'm excited to see how this blends down to moi. I don't know what I did with my good cap, the one that's not stretched out. I know I have some extras that I haven't worn yet. They're still packed up. Don't judge me. And I'm gonna get to it before Christmas. Maybe. It does have the removable combs on the side. I'm gonna take those ones off because you know I don't really care for the combs on the side. And if I'm not going to use them, I might as well take them off. I'm gonna leave the one in the back though, and I'm gonna use my drawstring in the back to secure this wig down on my head. Hold up. Let's see how this wig fits on my big old head. Get that down like that. Perfect. It fits really nice. You do get the curvature around the ear to kind of make sure it fits and doesn't have your ears flat down like that. You know, we don't like that, especially us four eyes. We like the comfort around our ears. And then that hairline looks a little scary. Okay, I'm not gonna hold you, but I'm gonna try to get it together without any plucking. Again, it's a 9x6 closure, so you're not getting straight up ear to ear coverage in here. However, they do have a 12x6 that will give you that coverage. So if you need more coverage than this, get the 12x6. I think it's like $10 extra. Let me shake up my mousse. This is all I have left. I need to order some more. Pop that around my hairline. Again, Nairobi mousse. Probably used too much, but that's okay. Bring it back, bring it back. Make sure I use my hairs on my side because I will do an up style, I think, with this one. I like the curls. The curls are just really pretty. Put my glasses back on. I'm kind of hold the lace down and brush back the hairs that I don't want out. Brush down the ones that I do. Okay? This is probably going to be the longest process. The hairline. So, it looks good already. Look at that. A little bit, and it already looks good. This is the wig, I think. Don't get me lying. No, I think that's me. Yeah, that's me. But I can blend it with the wig. Like so. Okay. I cannot see what I'm doing. I'm hoping that it's doing something. That hybrid hairline looks really good. I'm pretty sure it's a mixture of their, I wouldn't say they're 4C. I think it's like their 3C and 3A curl. That's what I feel like it is. I could be wrong though. Correct me down below, OMGHerHair, if I'm wrong. Bring this back a little bit. It's a little bit too thick around there. But y'all see how that looks around there? Wow. They sent me a band, so let me get that. All right. Let's wrap this down. Do my makeup really quick, and then we'll come back, fluff the hair, and that should be it. I think I want to do a middle part first. I believe so. Or maybe I'll do a side part. I've been doing a lot of middle parts, so let's change it up. Add some mousse on the top. Mousse, mousse, mousse. Pat it on down. Just add a little bit of mousse to the hair that's on top, since it got kind of frizzy with me moving it. I could cut this right here because it's a little long, which I might do. Let me see. And then kind of get my ends together. Put a little layer right here in the front. Get that mousse together. Let me back up some. Some of the hair is just really long. I mean, it'll shrink once it dries, but I want it to shrink a little shorter. I did get a little bit of shedding during the wash, but no tangling whatsoever. It brushed through really well. Make sure this is how I want it. Get my blow dryer on warm and high and flatten this out. Let me just clip it back out of my face for a second. Ooh. Okay, I can work with that. I'm gonna take my brush and just brush back what I don't need. So like my parting space, I need that to come forward a bit. Here we go. Bring that down, bring that back, bring that out, back, down. I might can use my gel, that looks good. Bring it down, like so. Bring that back some, I don't need all that. I'm gonna take my 𝐂𝐲𝐻 gel, just kind of help mold this in place. Keep on brushing some back until I get the desired density that I want. Here we go. Okay. Now, because I want these hairs to stay, I'm gonna use a little bit of my TRESemmé Extra Hold hairspray. Right on top of those edges. Kind of help mold that hairline the way that I want. Use my blow dryer on cool to dry that down. Think that looks good. Blend, blend, blend. Now if I want, I could pin this back, which I think I'm going to because I like the way that looks. Twist, 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 twist. Pin it up over here. Okay, get that down. Come on, 𝐂𝐲𝐻. Come on, 𝐂𝐲𝐻. Use a little bit of my soft focus powder in my parting space. This is the color Creamy Bronze. Kind of open it up a bit. Get that in there. I could leave it out like this, or I could pin both sides back to show off that hairline. Let's see. I kind of like how that looks. I do, I do, I do. I think that worked perfectly. Okay, so here is the final look. Do y'all see this hairline? Do you see the hairline on me? This looks great. I do have that line thanks to that band. But other than that, she looks great. I have no complaints about this hairline whatsoever. Straight on your head, she's gonna look a little scary. Use your products. The mousse that I use, it's a wrap mousse, so it moves the hair really nicely. Now make sure if you use this spray, you take it off of water. Let it sit. If it pulls when you're taking it off, spray it again. Don't try to yank it off because it will take your hairline with it. Trust me. I yanked my hair right off, right up in here. I'm still trying to grow that back. So until I do, this is what I'm doing. Gave me a hairline real nice. Nice and full. Thank you, OMGHerHair. Glasses off. Right here, that's me. This is the wig. Let me see if I can kind of flap it up a little bit. That's the wig right there. The flap is right there. Y'all see that? Right up here though, under here, that's me. This is me. This is the wig, okay? That 9x6 closure. This is me right here. That's the wig up here. It blends perfectly. I love that. And then could I pluck it right up in here to kind of open this a little bit? I could. Will I do that today? No. I put the mousse on top of the hair for the hair that I moved over when I did the parting. But outside of that, this curl is like this from the wash. The wash and the air dry. No complaints. None. Not even for that price point, because you know, the deals are here. Call that man. The season of giving and receiving is here. Giddy up. I just realized I didn't even tighten down the drawstring in the back because this wig is pretty much fitting on my head perfectly. Pull that a bit and then tuck it. Took the bobby pins out so y'all can see how the hair looks just out. Y'all, still so good. Y'all, y'all wig, y'all. I have no complaints. No complaints. This is a wig. It's a wig. I can even rock it in a ponytail. Y'all see this? Huh? A closure wig. Just bring your sides down and your back down, and then I bobby pin it. Y'all know my trick? Okay, bobby pin it to the side of the wig. Like that. To keep that hair down. I'll see how it's looking though. Shout out one more time to OMGHerHair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and any coupon codes I have for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.